The Corniche Kennedy is an iconic road in Marseille, France that runs along the Mediterranean Sea. The superstructure consists of two sidewalks separated by a bench, known as the longest in the world, and a parapet. For more than 60 years, the Corniche has been subjected to sea spray and splashing waves, and as a result, many sections were distressed. The owner decided to take on a vast rehabilitation operation. The work consisted of reinforcing or replacing the structural elements according to their state of deterioration. As the structure is located near the Marigraphe, a listed monument, the new benches and parapets were designed in agreement with its architect. After 4 phases of work that started in 2018, the Corniche Kennedy was reopened to the public in the spring of 2022.